Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I need to introduce myself because I've been MIA again and I've gained some new subscribers, so hey y'all. But it's your girl Zaria Shakira, aka frizzeecurlz, back again with another YouTube video. I'm gonna just let y'all know that if I'm not being consistent on YouTube, 9 times out of 10 I'm probably posting content on Instagram or TikTok, so make sure you are following me on my other social media platforms. But as you can see, it is wash day, and you guys know I do not take the greatest care of my hair, but it's definitely time for a cleansing. When I section my hair into 4, y'all should already know I'm about to wash my hair real good. But getting into this video, I'll be using products from Maintain by Dollar Curl Club. This is their gold collection for natural curls, coils, and waves. And for the shampoo, I'll be using their Hydrating Gentle Cleanse shampoo. They were kind enough to send me some products to try out, so thank you guys so much for that. For each section of my hair, I make sure it's completely saturated with water before I work in the shampoo, just so it can lather well. But this shampoo honestly lathers itself because as soon as it touched my hair, I could feel the suds. I don't really like to shampoo the sections of my hair for longer than a couple minutes. I focus the shampoo at the roots, scrub my scalp to get out any buildup, and then I'm rinsing it out. Y'all know I'm good for a quick little slow-mo. You know, I was feeling what the shampoo did for my hair. It was all soft and whatnot. My hair felt clean and I didn't even experience much shedding from the detangling either. I don't wash my hair but maybe once or twice a month, so little to no shedding is good in my book. But when I section my hair into 4 sections during wash day, I'm able to carefully detangle it. So moving on to conditioner, I will be using the Maintain by Dollar Curl Club Hydrating Detangling Conditioner. I love a good conditioner or a good product that tells me it is frizz free because as y'all know, my name is frizzeecurlz and I definitely have some frizzy curls. So I don't know about y'all, but I really love when a company seals up their products. I don't know, it just makes me feel like they really care about me. But anywho, I'm just taking the conditioner and applying it to the sections of my hair that are already washed. Then of course, nothing new, I'm going to take my dimming brush, detangle my sections, and then of course rinse it out. So the next thing I used after I washed and conditioned the other half of my hair was the Maintain by Dollar Curl Club leave-in conditioner. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this product was a little tricky for me. With leave-in conditioners, I like a more thinner leave-in because it won't weigh my hair down or make my curls hard as it dries a little bit. But this leave-in conditioner is super thick, almost like a styler. So it applies well, and I like how it felt to my hair soon after I applied it, and I like the way my hair looked and all that. As you can see, a bitch was feeling herself. But that was until I started to brush through my hair again, and it was a little tough to do so. Maybe because the product was so thick, I'm not sure, but I'll use it again differently in a later video. But after I've detangled as much as possible, I wrap my hair up in my t-shirt, and that completes the hair washing process. Y'all know I'll be dancing in my wash day videos, but moving on to these twists. So I don't really want to talk through the entire twisting segment, so I'm going to give y'all a quick little rundown. So obviously this is what my hair is looking like after I've washed it, and what I'm going to do for these 3-strand twists is just take small to medium sections to make the twists. My hair's probably damp right here, so I'm just going to take my aloe vera juice to bring some wetness back into my hair. Then I'm going to add my oil mixture that y'all see in probably every video of mine, and then work in a dime size of the curl defining cream by Dollar Curl Club into my hair, and then begin the 3-strand twists. Unfortunately, I didn't want to make this a tutorial on how to do 3-strand twists because I'm probably not the best explainer to explain how to do it. So hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing to understand how to do the 3-strand twist, but I do have a video that I posted a couple years ago on how to do them. So if y'all really want to see it, I can link it below. But other than that, this part of the video is really not for me to explain. It's really just for you to see what I'm doing and how the results come out and things like that. But if y'all really want an updated 3-strand twist tutorial, then just go ahead and let me know down below in the comments. And what I found very helpful from a natural hair friend was to just tie the ends of my hair into a knot, so when it dries, it creates its own curls, so you don't have to worry about using perm rods. So nothing fancy is really about to take place. All I'm going to do is just apply some more of my oil throughout my twist and begin unraveling them and separating them. Then of course towards the end I'll be fluffing it and picking it out and then slicking down my baby hairs. So yeah, y'all, this is how my hair came out today. Please let me know if you liked it. This video is actually long overdue. I've been sitting on this for a couple of weeks probably. But yeah, I hope y'all liked how it came out today. Please let me know down below in the comments what styles I should do next. And subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye!